Good day, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on a chilly start to Tuesday, April 24th, 2012, and this is the daily video forecast discussion. And we'll start this out with the visible satellite loop again across the northern mid-Atlantic states today, overlaid with a couple of features. And the upper low still spinning around in southeastern New York, getting ready to exit and enter into Canada. It's still a very strong south to southwest flow of air around the cyclonic circulation. We can see that by the tightly presented isobars this morning. And there's still a couple of areas where we're going to have clouds in and out. Now, we have some clearing over the area at sunrise this morning, but there's more stratocumulus clouds on the southern edge of the low itself across the southwestern portions of New York and into Pennsylvania. This is going to be moving back into the area during this afternoon, and there's a couple of pieces of energy here, some upper level cloudiness across central and eastern Pennsylvania. This is the southern extent of this upper low, so the atmosphere is pretty dry. Winds are all from the southwest. Take off the fronts, take off that. Let's get to some of the wind gusts now. They're still 15, 20, 25 miles an hour across the region, and all the winds this morning are from the south-southwest as the upper low continues to pull away gradually to the north and to the east. And temperatures are chilly. Here's our clear skies across the region this morning, but there are some clouds getting in here, and as the convective temperatures are met and the surface layers begin to warm a little bit, self-destructive stratocumulus clouds will work their way back into the area. Could be enough to enhance a brief light shower across the forecast region, especially northeast Pennsylvania, northwest Jersey, the city, the lower Hudson Valley into Long Island and Connecticut. But we're really not looking at much in the way of any precipitation during today, tonight, or tomorrow. Here's our water vapor imagery, still showing plenty of water vapor in the low and mid levels of the atmosphere, although it is beginning to dry out considerably from where we were. Radar composite this morning again shows the circulatory rain showers about the circulation of the upper low, and that will continue to pull away over the next 24 hours. Again, another vantage point view. Chilly air over the entire forecast region this morning. Temperatures upper 30s to low and mid 40s around all of the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metro area. Here's our NAM-WRF model composite reflectivity forecast. You can see a lot of the low clouds breaking up, and here comes a few more rain showers and clouds about. And the skies begin to clear a little bit. Maybe some leftover showers across the region this morning, actually this afternoon. And then skies begin to clear out during tonight. Now, this is a warm front to our south and west, and a disturbance, one more spoke of energy is going to come around, and this will induce the chance of showers around here on Thursday and Thursday afternoon. So the next several days is going to feature some relatively cool air around the region. There could be some more showers around here on Thursday and Thursday afternoon. Clearing commences on Thursday night, and then high pressure builds in for Friday. The weekend looks good to start, but probably turning downhill after that, but not a complete washout. This afternoon's Prague show that upper low getting into Canada. There's still a couple of spokes of vorticity around it, so we could still see a few showers or at least some cloud cover around the northern and central areas of the forecast region during this afternoon. It's going to be chilly today, temperatures remaining basically in the 50s, maybe popping around 60 in a few locations where the sun is more predominant. And then that trough axis moves off the coast. Brief high pressure builds in overnight tonight. And then another spoke of energy here, and isentropic lift developing across the Kentucky and Mississippi Valley, moving towards the Ohio Valley, could give us basically a cloudier day on beginning Wednesday night, and we could have a few rain showers around here during the day on Thursday as the front is nearby, and then eventually the front swings off the coast. As we get to Friday, high pressure building in across the Great Lakes and into the north and mid-Atlantic states. Still a bit breezy here around here on Thursday and Friday until the high begins to build in over the forecast region, and that will be on Saturday. Another disturbance will cut across the upper Midwest and the Central Plains states and move in our direction, and that will probably cause a front to be developing across the Ohio Valley all the way down to the Mid-Atlantic states on Sunday, with periods of showery weather and cloud cover moving back into the areas, particularly on Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Finally, things become more benign as the frontal boundary moves well off the coast, high pressure ridges, and builds in across Hudson's Bay, Canada, all the way to the eastern United States. Now, one of the models, the GFS this morning, is showing this area here to be cutting off, and the European model and most of the guidance other than that suggests that this will not occur, or if it does occur, it will occur too far out into the ocean, and it will still allow confluence and high pressure to build across the region during the period of early next week, with modifying temperatures back to near and above normal levels by the middle to the latter part of next week, with generally fair weather. So do be mindful of some of the breezes out there today, tomorrow, and the chance for some showers again on Thursday and Thursday afternoon, followed by relatively benign weather and mostly sunny skies on Friday, and a good deal of sunshine on Saturday before the clouds move back in, and could be some more rain showers around here on Sunday. And then generally fair weather starts later on Monday and continues through the middle to the latter part of next week with modifying conditions. For the weather 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's GardenStateWeather.com. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a pleasant Tuesday. We'll be back bright and early again on Wednesday morning.